Hello, my name is Evgeniy. I'm a Senior Advertiser Manager at Adcash. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Performance tab and how you can use it to maximize your campaign's performance.
For that, we have to go to the campaign section, choose the campaign from the list, or do like I did by adding the campaign ID here and clicking on the campaign. Please mind that this feature is advanced, which means you need to have an advanced campaign to use it. The Performance tab is an optimization tool that allows you to maximize your campaign's performance thanks to some key metrics, like auction, which represents the opportunities your campaign received and had a chance to be displayed on. The impressions is when the campaigns were actually displayed, and the win rate, which is the ratio between the auctions and the impressions. It reflects how competitive your campaign is against the other bidders. Also, the other metrics are the revenue, the spending, and the profit, and ROAS. The revenue and profits are additional metrics available for those who use the value macro via the postback. Click on the link that appears now to see the details about that. We highly recommend using this optional macro so you can track in a single place the revenue and the cost, hence the return on your ad spend. Combining the metrics related to profitability and the competitiveness, you can optimize your campaigns the best way. One of the suggestions that we give is just by checking what are the profitable segments, like in this case, you can see the quality tier, tier 1, brought us the sale, which is a targeted conversion that we have set up. And you can see how profitable it is to actually run in this segment, and you can also see how much you need to increase, to what opportunity you have to increase, and how much you need to increase to get more traffic from there. Also the other tier quality, not the countries, the quality tiers, basically. If it doesn't work for you, you can also decrease it from here. Please note that the bids can only be edited when grouping by geos, the default view, and secondary dimension zones and sources. We can also add the zones, and this way we will be able to see it a bit more granularly. Please mind the statistics are available for other groupings as well, but you cannot change the bids from there. You can also go to zones, which represent the main source, and sources, which represent the subsource, and just remove the sources that are not performing well by clicking on the wheel and excluding this zone or this source. Also, the statistics are available for other groupings too, like creatives, device type, OS name, browser name, and so on. You cannot adjust the bids or remove the zones from here, but you can definitely use it to targeting updates. For example, using this, you can really see which browsers are bringing you conversions and which are not, and you can later optimize your campaign by removing those targets which are not profitable. In case you do not want or cannot pass your revenue through the value macro of our postback, the Performance tab remains a key optimization tool for you since it provides you the visibility over your campaign competitiveness in general. Merge your profitability type of data, for example, from your third-party tracker, with the competitiveness type of data from our Performance tab, and maximize your campaign's performance. I'm sure you will find this tool very useful. Just go and set up some advanced campaigns and see it for yourself.
Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below or reach us out via contacts@adcash.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more access to videos like that. Thank you very much and see you next time.